Your Excellencies, Governor Hon Simba Arati, Governor Kisii, and the Deputy Party Leader of the mighty ODM, Governor Siaya, Honorable Agri Orengo, our First Lady of Kisii, Speaker of the County Assembly of Kisii, honorable members present and all protocols observed. Allow me first of all to salute the Commander. Commander, kindly accept my salute. Your Excellency, you sincerely deserve this appointment because you are purposeful and competent, and therefore you have earned this position of Deputy Party Leader. I know, Your Excellency, you are three of you, but you are the first among the three. Your Excellency, we also thank the party's top command for recognizing you. The work, Your Excellency, towards the 2032 they have talked about now begins in earnest. Your Excellency, without much ado, allow me to request honorable members present to be upstanding as I welcome you to come